we're doing a tier list again. This time
Right.
snacks, because
And I'm
no
being
group.
boom.
I forgot about this.
We
All right.
didn't.
We didn't.
We try to remind him every
We?
day.
Who's we? There is no
Everyone
we.
Me
but
and Otto.
you.
There is no we. Anyway,
We. Oh yes.
so what should we start with?
Definitive S tiers.
This is an S.
Gushers.
If
Oh
you
yeah.
disagree, consider your life choices.
Gushers is great.
Honestly.
Cheese. Eh.
You don't like them? Oh yeah, you're lactose.
I mean,
You didn't have a good
it
childhood
depends on
without
what you
string
get.
cheese.
It depends on what you get. I mean, I'm lactose intolerant, but hey, I can still eat cheese. It just depends on which one you
S.
get. Oh yeah, Oreos are good. I just had one today.
No, this deserves its own tier.
A classic. The definitive goat of everyone.
He's making his own tier.
The full-on goat.
What else do we do? I don't like these. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like
What
these.
is that?
What
Animal
those?
crackers.
Animal
What-
crackers? You don't like animal crackers? You hear
I
this
don't like
stuff? Dylan?
You? Wait, you like animal crackers?
They're not bad. They're like mid.
They're more than mid. They're
Which-
really bad. They're sickening. If you
I don't
prefer
think they're-
animal
I don't-
crackers over any of these,
Dylan,
look into a
Veggie
mental
straw?
institution.
Y'all kind of.
I don't think it's a. I think animal crackers are slightly better than veggie straws.
What?
Yes.
I bet
To
y'all
put
like
it- that's
Cheez
a
Its.
B. Who doesn't like Cheez-Its? That's an S.
Me.
Come on, it's cheese. Every American's dream.
This is the best version of Lay's.
I just had some Lay's. No, wait, that was
That is the best version of Lay's.
Baked Lays.
baked. Oh yeah, I had kettle.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't like these.
You don't like Ritz?
With that,
I don't like the bits. I don't like the
Oh,
bits.
I never had the bits.
didn't have
they're
them.
I don't lie, I didn't really like these. I don't hate them.
Well,
The fruit cookies are better.
I say they're
I love
pretty
fruit
good.
snacks. A, put that in A.
Fruit snacks are good.
Yeah, they really are, man.
Which one?
A.
Yeah, come on, get it an A. Yeah.
No
Up an
A. Oh, this.
Oh, those are
I don't
good,
like
bro. Put that. No, bro, you gotta put.
I don't
them
like these.
You don't like them.
No,
Man, you
I don't like
bugging.
them.
Guys,
They're
I think
crackers.
Okay.
with
Eat
Abigail
Dylan.
being lactose intolerant,
Average.
she's been desperate and going into bland foods. Because no
Bruh.
way those crackers are average.
If I ask Noboom, he'll agree with me probably. Right, Noboom? Wink,
Over
wink.
all of these.
Hey, yo,
Noboom.
put that in average, bro. You think I didn't see that?
No, keep it in that place. Keep it in there, alright? If Noboon has any problems, I'll speak to him personally. You hear me? Come on.
Okay, what's
Not
that?
the coin toss.
Wait. Okay, what side do you guys want?
Heads.
It's negotiable. Tails.
Bruh.
Just decide.
This thing is
name
rigged.
that D.
It's not even a 50-50 chance.
Free.
Okay.
There are free.
Yeah.
Tails.
Heads. Yeah. I hate this stupid coin.
Once again, if there are any problems, just message me, Noboom. I promise you will not disagree with me.
Why are there 2 Oreos?
Double stuffed.
Oh.
Double stuffed.
This is.
That's No. It's you dropped this. Funyuns are amazing.
I agree.
Dylan, I don't want to hear from you, Dylan. I don't want.
Wait.
No,
the taste gets annoying after a while.
True,
It's
but
good at first.
A.
I gotta be honest, I did
I'm
like
going to say B.
it. Does produce a strong smell though.
It is S.
Oh yeah.
Doritos.
Another.
If you ain't putting Cheetos at the top, then I can't trust you. Okay, good.
Original
I love Cheetos. Calm down.
Imagine not liking Cheetos. Imagine not liking Cheetos.
Well, I do not like these.
You don't like them? They're so good.
What? Nutty butter.
Bro, you're. Average.
Oh no.
Bro said
No.
average. Nah, it's
Not for
good.
the Nutty Buddy.
It's
Not for
because
the Nutty
these
Buddy.
exist. These exist. That's
I don't
why.
even know what that is.
What?
You
Nutty
are
Buddy's
missing out.
better than the Cosmic Brownies. What do you
No, it's
mean?
not. Nutty
It
Buddies
is.
good.
Nutty
Suck my-
Buddy has better texture, better
I need
flavor,
to make my
better
own
combinations.
list.
I could go on and on.
They should get sucked by.
Okay, at least we agree on the roll-ups.
Chips Ahoy. Same tier.
yeah,
A
just
tier.
advise.
A tier.
These are just cookies, man.
It's not as good as Oreos.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Only good with milk.
I eat more than
I love
5
these.
Oreos. It's over for me.
Ding dogs.
What the heck is a
Wait,
ding dong?
I never had a ding dong.
They're good.
Yes, you can decide then.
I put them in very good. No, I just put them in good. I don't really like these. To be honest.
They're mid. They're
Yeah.
so mid.
I got them at the dollar store. They were mid.
Mid.
Okay, which one? C or D?
D.
D. Come on, they're not
Alright.
comparable to Nutty Buddies.
I'm not gonna say the word because it's offensive, but where you put it at?
I'm gonna say
I
it.
never had one.
I'm gonna say it.
Twinkie.
No.
Do it again, Dylan.
I'm the one who says
Do it again, Dylan.
Wait, hold on.
We're paying attention now.
Twinkie.
I sure do love me. Over. I'll say it.
Lollipop.
Okay, where should I
If this
put it?
video gets
B.
this video gets
Okay.
like 10 likes, I'll say that word on the next tier list video. It's not gonna happen.
Abigail's gonna say the T word.
I know this is controversial, but
I'm
which
not-
one do we put this one?
A.
I never had that.
You never had a honey? Oh.
You never had a honey bun.
Nah.
Man, I used to eat this all the time, bro. Put it in A.
Yeah.
A.
Okay.
No. Actually, put it
I
one
actually
more.
forgot. It
One more up.
existed.
There we go.
Is it better than Fruit Loops?
Real. Yes.
Alright, is it better than Cosmic Brownies?
I don't know. I never had it.
Oh, and then no. We'll put it in front of Fruit Loops. I never had this.
What is that?
It's just beef jerky.
Stab it to a Slim Jim.
Bruh, Dylan used to buy Fruit Roll-Ups at the snack bar, I guess, last year almost all the time.
And Slim
put
Jims.
this-
Yeah, they're pretty good. Not bad.
I forgot what this is.
Yeah.
That's kettle cooked popcorn or something? No, or like,
Who would that on
it's like
label?
popcorn, right?
I never had one of these.
Never had.
I don't even know
Alright.
what that is.
We don't even know what that is.
Bro, what happened to the never had list? Austin would be like, never had in the last video.
Austin is just unbiased.
Alright.
Ruffles! I just had some Ruffles, they're so good.
Rice
Ruffles?
Krispies treats.
You know Ruffles?
I just had
Ruffles
them
are
today.
good.
They're good.
Rice Krispies?
Ruffles. Hmm.
They're like average in my
They
opinion.
can get. The more you eat, the more
It's like Popeye's
It gets-
biscuits, but it's a sweet.
too sweet.
Yeah, it's way too sweet.
The more you eat it, the more it's like, why am I eating this?
There's an S.
Exactly.
There's
Oh
an
yeah.
S. No
I
one give
love
it.
having that. Let's see, guys.
I don't like
Bruh,
Office anymore.
they're put it in like D or something. Yeah.
That child's back.
Bro,
Oh,
Nobum's gonna
shit.
kill us. Wait, can I say that on
Swiss
camera?
roll.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah, Nobum's not gonna like this. It's fresh as
I don't like
goldfish.
these anymore.
No boom can't touch me.
Yet.
I don't like these anymore. What about you guys?
What?
I haven't had them in years, man.
Depends on the brand. But on this
What's
one,
your
I'd say
average?
is
I guess so.
yeah.
Oh yeah, Lay's. Let's put Lay's in the good tier.
Barbecue.
Put it in the
Average.
average.
It's
Get the
just potato chips. I would go. This
Just-
one's better. Like
Just
infinitely
potato
better.
chips. Just potato
Boy.
chips.
Potato chips.
Infinitely better.
Potato chips.
Baked. Get that barbecue.
Okay, this is the S.
Bro said
Oh yeah. Checks.
Pringles. S.
S.
Mm.
Ah,
I don't like Fritos.
Yeah,
I haven't
they're
had
lame.
years. I just realized.
Bad.
Put the other one in lame. Yeah, there we go.
Fritos.
Really
Yeah.
bad.
Not the
I
really
don't like
good.
them.
Hey, yo, Ritz crackers.
Where?
What?
Oh yeah. I put in good.
B.
I say it's pretty good. Good by itself, good with other things. Good, good.
Doritos, but
Like,
like
never
What?
had.
the Cool
Good,
Ranch. Oh yeah, I have someone that has that.
good like this.
I already like the Cool Ranch.
Yeah, Cool Ranch is not good. Oh yeah, whales are just off-brand goldfish. So. I hate
these. I
those,
hate
bro.
these.
They tasted so nasty when I
Sickening.
first tried it, bro. It's sickening.
They expire in like hours.
Bro, I almost threw up when I ate that for the first time, bro. I kid you not.
These
I
just aren't
accidentally
good.
ate the wax.
They're mid
Those just
barbecue
aren't.
better.
What else we got? Barbecue. Acceptable.
What is this?
Oh, well, I don't know.
No
I don't
idea.
know. I don't know. I
Hey,
don't
yo,
know.
put the hot fries into S tier.
Alright.
Zebra cakes. They got zebra cakes in here.
Y'all ever had
Wait,
Takis
what?
before?
They got zebra cakes in
No.
here. Top price.
Actually, yeah.
I had a Taki once. They're hit or miss.
I'd say
I
Takis
don't
are very
like Takis.
controversial right now.
They're alright, but like sometimes it's really spicy. Sometimes it's like really good. But like
Almost
it
haven't
depends.
had Takis in years.
Bro, don't let the hot Cheeto girl see this tier list, bro. We put the Takis in the bad tier.
Try me. They can try.
It's okay. It's okay. Because 2 people are like Hispanic, so then it's okay. See, it's valid.
I'm
And if
Hispanic.
they point
Yeah, I said 2
the
people,
racist
as in
finger at
you
us,
and Otto.
I
I mean,
know.
Like you can't get mad at hot Cheeto girls or anyone else who
I
thinks
gotta
that.
drink my water real quick.
He has to get the water. Wait, where'd Dylan go?
What the heaven?
Bro.
no hablo inglés.
No hablas inglés?
As pencils?
You
I
should
don't
speak.
speak Spanish.
You should speak Spanish
I
on
don't know about you guys.
the video, bro. Don't be shy.
Pretzel chips.
Where should we put
Pretty
pencils?
good. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Pretzels are
I
okay.
say putting A tier.
A.
Okay.
How come we only have like one thing in A before that? Sun chips are good.
Sun chips.
They're good. A.
Yeah, I agree. Sun chips are good.
Haven't had them in a while
Depends
though.
on the flavor.
Do not know what that is.
They're like white people crackers or something.
What?
Okay.
They're like healthy or something.
Well, I never had this.
I don't even know what that is.
A lot of people say it's good, but I've never had it.
Alright.
Never had.
Never
What is
Never
this?
had.
What is this?
Never
What is
had
this?
this either.
What even is that?
I
This
don't
is
know.
just average. This is average.
Average.
Yeah.
You need some cheese on
Like it's
that.
not bad. It's not good. It's just average.
You need
I like their
you need
pizza
like a
rolls.
sauce or like a condiment.
Never had.
Oh, what is that?
No idea.
Let's see.
I don't even know anything
I don't
else on
really-
this list.
I already
Never-
like this.
Never had.
Average.
I don't
Well,
know.
did they
I
got
don't
the
even, Girl
donuts?
Scout cookies.
Planter.
Girl Scout cookies. Girl Scout
Depends on which one
cookies
you
suck.
get.
What? Depending on
Why
on what
is-
you get. Like the
Why
ones
is
I
Jesus?
get, they're
Why is
really
Jesus
good.
playing Destiny 2 right now?
what?
I just got a
Say
notification.
what?
I just got a notification that says Jesus H Christ is playing Destiny 2.
Oh, I love spot food.
What do you think about this?
I don't know, never had it.
Chocolate. Very
Huh?
good.
Don't know.
I already like them.
Hmm.
I put them in good.
But we need to do TV
Yes.
shows, popular ones.
I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is.
Didn't we already do TV shows?
Well, we did like
Yeah, we
Cartoon
did.
Network, but we haven't done like
Yeah, we did
popular
Cartoon
ones.
Network.
We
We
did.
didn't- Oh, we need to do Nickelodeon.
Yeah,
Wait, I
Nickelodeon.
thought we did that.
SpongeBob is S tier.
Oh no, old SpongeBob is
Yeah.
S tier. New
Old
SpongeBob is F.
SpongeBob.
And Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
That was such a good show.
And what else?
I don't know
What
if they
is
ever had
this?
a bad
If they
show.
have old shows, then Danny Phantom.
Oh yeah.
I remember I used to love these as a kid, so I put them in good.
No, I don't know what that is.
Alright, I didn't like these.
What?
Well,
No, never had them.
never had.
Wasn't bad. What about this?
Beef jerky. I haven't had beef
Hmm.
jerky since I was in elementary school.
Basic.
Average.
Alright.
Yeah.
This
Peanuts. Peanuts are
this?
alright.
Pretzels? Never had them.
Huh?
I've
This?
never had peanuts before.
Nope.
And then this.
D-
This is Finland's.
Dylan,
What?
never had peanuts before.
Oh, you had peanuts. Yeah, I've had it before.
Oh, hey yo,
Never
get an
had
image of that. I
Flanders.
need it for the thumbnail.
Log in. Don't. Oh, I'm already logged in.
Put in the
Do
Discord.
it post protection.
Alright. Stop. Like, get off. So I can post it.
Okay.